Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Don't Despair Repair Briogeo Honey Mask. I've tried this product with both straight hair and curly hair. These are my general thoughts. I'm kind of on the fence with this product. I don't absolutely love it, nor do I hate it. So let's get started and I'll explain how I feel. So it's very similar to the original Briogeo. You get the same amount of product even though the size of this looks a little bit smaller. It's 8 fluid ounces just like the other one, and it comes in like a little bear-shaped bottle, which is cute. The plastic is a little softer than your traditional shampoo bottle, so it does make it easier to kind of squeeze the bottle and get the product out, but I will say it's still not that easy to get the product out, especially if you have wet hands. So that's something to keep in mind, like in the shower when I'm using this. Sometimes it's hard to pump out the product, especially as it goes lower and lower. Overall, I enjoy the product. It has a light honey scent to it and I can smell it through the bottle. I'm not a huge fan of honey. I just picked this up on a whim because I love the original. I wanted to see if the honey made any difference in terms of moisture, and I feel like it kind of did, kind of didn't. Like, it was definitely a moisturizing mask just like the original, but I wouldn't say necessarily that it was any more moisturizing than the other one. Maybe my hair just doesn't necessarily respond well to honey. It doesn't respond well to coconut oil. Anything with just mostly coconut oil, my hair doesn't do well with. It gets a little bit kind of crunchy and hard and weighed down. I didn't experience that with this, but I didn't experience any higher levels of moisture than the original one. I'd probably stick to the original one, but this is limited edition anyway, so I don't know how long this is going to be around for. I definitely like it. If you've never tried any of the Briogeo hair masks, then I would definitely give it a shot. Whichever one you want. Again, you got the same amount of product in both. This one just has like a lighter creamy color to it. I would say the consistency is a little bit thicker than the other one, but not really, not by much that you can, it's not a very tangible difference. So this is what the bear looks like after I've squeezed it for that close-up shot that you guys just saw. So doing this is a little bit difficult when it comes to being in the shower with your hands wet, like I said, because I'm already a little bit less than halfway done with this. I can see it becoming an issue later on, but that's fine because you can always tip it over and have it come down. It'd probably take a while because it's a pretty creamy formula, but I would say I like the other one better just because I could just dip my hand in there, apply it. It's a little bit thinner. I think it spreads a little easier, but overall I'm kind of indifferent about this product. I don't hate it. I don't absolutely love it. I'm just kind of right down in the middle. So if I could rate it from 1 through 5, 5 being the best, I would probably say 3.5 stars, 3.5 bunnies, because not bad. Doesn't blow me away either though. And yeah, those are my general thoughts for the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Honey Mask. If you tried this product, let me know what you think down below, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.